The 2026 NBA Finals MVP is the captain, Jalen Brunson.
For anybody who's a fan of father-son moments, doesn't get much better than this. What does it feel like to stand next to him holding that trophy and the Knicks having this trophy, Jalen?
It's everything we dreamed of. It's why I came to New York.